Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be making some popcorn chicken. So first we're gonna need 200 grams of chicken, boneless chicken, so 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and required amount of salt. Next I'm using half cup of curd and about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to give it extra flavor. First we're gonna add in the chicken and we're gonna add in the curd and all the masalas. And give this a good mix. Once your batter looks like this, we have to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. So for frying, we need to make a flour batter. For that, we're gonna add some maida, some salt and some chili powder. Pour in some oil and let it get heated. Once the chicken has been marinated, we're gonna take it, dip it in the flour batter and get it nice and all over the sides, and now we're gonna fry it. Now let's fry the chicken until we see the beautiful golden brown color. And presto! Our yummy, delicious popcorn chicken is ready.